Yo, everybody, sorry for the interruptions. I had some network issues and things like that. Don't just know what exactly is going on these days. So, yeah, I think it has been fixed now. So, you can see it. It has been fixed, I think so. Yup. It has been fixed now. Yeah, you guys can come up and check it now. All right. Yeah, let's get it. I think this is where we stopped before. So, yeah. Yeah, I think this is where we stopped before during our analysis, right? Um, all right. So volatility 75 right now just broke out of my trend line. I think now it's about to hit my stop loss, so it is what it is. Stop loss hit for the day, man. All right, that's already hit my stop loss. So I got nothing to do, man. Lost one trade on volatility 75. So yeah, that's just what the market do, man. That's just what the market do. So it is what it is. Stop loss hits. So um, the 75 hit stop loss. So it is what it is. Boom. All right. Let's focus, man. Let's focus. I don't allow V75 to like kind of ruin uh, my mindset and things like that. So yeah, I just broke out of my trend line and hit my stop loss. That's what happened. Let me refresh this so you see. Broke out of my trend line. I hit stop loss. So yep, it is what it is. Volatility 75 right now. We'll push to the upside if it breaks out of some levels. But let's see what is going to happen. I'm expecting volatility 75 to come down for the retracement to this point. So this is 50-minute time frame anyway. So you see that break out of this structure. Now trying to go up to the upside, right? See what happened on volatility 75 just now. This was the trend line on this smaller time frame. So you see this. This is where you're supposed to decide to go back down to the downside from this point. Come up and continue to go down to the downside from here now to this point. That's what I was expecting on volatility 75. But right now, got broke out of this my trend line got broken, and right now volatility 75 is trying to push back up to the upside. So what I'm seeing now is that if volatility 75 eventually break out of this structure here, which is around price 776390.59, which is 7758, yeah, 775882.20. Once it breaks out of that level, volatility 75 will go up again to the upside. So it is what it is. That's just it, man. Let me ask somebody. Let me answer somebody rather. All right. So yeah, that's what exactly happened on volatility 75 just now. So it hit my stop loss. My stop loss was around this area. So let's see what is going to happen right now. So yeah, let's continue with forex analysis first before we go back down to this volatility 75 and things like that. Because right now, you know, um, a lot of things happening here, man. I was trying to reply to somebody. Okay, yeah, let's continue with the Forex analysis. So this is it now, and um, you know, so this is CAD JPY, and this was our last week trade, and you know, we have to focus on some of the currency pair and things like that as well. This is FJPY. So this is okay, that's Dogecoin anyway. Okay, so Dogecoin eventually hit this stop loss around this area, but I just bought and hold Dogecoin, right? So right now I'll clear this, and I'll still buy Dogecoin anyway. I'll still buy it. I'm still holding it, you know, because last time I think these were first of all bought it, something like that. So I'm still in Dogecoin, I'm still holding it. Ethereum, yep. So yep, let me check Euro AUD. Okay, this is Euro AUD right now, and it's still pushing back to the downside. This is for our time frame anyway, so let me go back down to daily and see what exactly is going on. Okay, all right. So it's actually yeah, it's actually a downtrending market. So you know, there's nothing much interested on this Euro AUD anyway, because I can't see any levels and things like that much interesting, but I'll still check it out anyway. All right, so let me start to read your comments now so I can see exactly what's going on. Somebody is saying I am here, the usual culprit of V75. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Thank you very much, Nicholas. How is everything, man? All right. Tega is saying hi. Yeah, hi, bro. How are you doing? Hope you good. I'm new here, so all right, you're welcome, man. You know, shout out to you. Thank you very much for checking out on us today. All right, so back in bless up back. All right, that's Mont Globe. How are you doing, man? All right, I appreciate you all. I appreciate you all. Let's go back to our business. All right, so yeah, this call is going to end in about 27 minutes because I have a lot of one-on-one calls and things like that. I have my to-do list right here. So the first one was live Forex weekly analysis, that is YouTube. Then Zoom call with Ray, TJ, and Larry, 3 to 4 p.m. So yeah, and I still got a lot of things to do, man. All right. So yeah, if you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you right now, it is a time for you to kind of say, hey Israel, can you check this particular pair for me before I go offline, right? So let's check Euro JPY. Euro JPY has been a bad boy so far. So it's what exactly happened on Euro JPY. So right now, Euro JPY is trying to break up to the upside, despite the fact that it hit our stop loss last week. So it is what it is, guys. That's what actually all of this trade and things like that, you know, they do it a lot in the market, man. All right, so let me just do a fresh analysis so that you can understand exactly what I'm expecting on Euro JPY. So this is Euro JPY right now, and it is 4-hour time frame, right? So let's go back down to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame on Euro JPY, and you guys are seeing what exactly has been happening on this Euro JPY for the daily time frame, right? So let me put my support and resistance at maximum of 5 on the daily time frame as usual, because that's what we do right here on ITT, right? So that's it. And also this is it right there. So that's 3 support and resistance. So I'm seeing another one right here. That's 4. Then we got another support right there. So that's 5, right? So now we can go back down to 4-hour time frame and see exactly if there are some sort of support and resistance that needs some sort of amendment, right? So this is it right now, and let's put this, and let me pin that. So this one, let me amend it to the upside. You guys can see that it did not align with the support correctly, right? So here, like this, it is the best. So I'm gonna pin that, and despite the fact that I plot this support and resistance on the daily time frame, you guys see that it kind of correlates on the 4-hour time frame, right? So it is called top-down analysis. So this is top-down analysis, and you can easily do it and follow it. Very, very simple. It is a simple strategy, you know, and you can easily do it. So this is gonna be my trend line on the 4-hour time frame right now, and you guys see what exactly has been happening on this 4-hour time frame. So you guys are seeing it, right? So what exactly is happening right now? You see that the market actually broke out of this trend line. I'm supposed to expect a move to the downside from this point, but EUR/JPY was not able to continue to move to the downside. Rather than it has just moved to to the upside right now. Decided to break back inside this trend line. So right now, what I'm expecting on EUR/JPY is that you see that I'm having some sort of another level right there. So what I'm going to be waiting for now is that I'm waiting for the market to break out to the upside again. You see this, we are having another level. So let me show you what exactly is going to happen. So from here it will go up to this point, retest again before we can now see EUR/JPY to push back up to the upside, right? So yeah, before we even take this trade, at least we have to understand that and look out for our signal confirmations or signal confluences, right? So also there is some sort of trend line that I'm seeing on this EUR/JPY right now. You see that? That's another trend line that confirms the sell, but right now it got broken back up to the upside, and of course I will expect the market to come to this point before it will now retest again and boom, continue to move back up to the upside. So let's see what exactly is going to happen on EUR/JPY next week when the market opens, right? So I got about 20 now. I got about around 17 minutes left here because I have to organize a call with some of my students as well, right? So you guys see volatility 75 right now is trying to push back up to the downside. So let's just see what exactly is going to happen on volatility 75. So it is what it is, but my stop loss was triggered, except I'll look out for another entry opportunity again. You know, try either to sell it or to buy it. It depends on what exactly I'm going to be seeing on this very pair, which is volatility 75, right? So it is what it is. Let's get it, man. It do happen in the market. At times you do take profit, at times your stop loss is triggered. So that's just it. All right, guys. So yeah, if today's the first time right here, guys, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends and family, and that's how you can support the channel, man. All right, thank you very much. As you do that, let's continue with the analysis and things like that. So let's go down to EUR/USD so we can understand exactly what are we expecting on EUR/USD. So EUR/USD last week hit our stop loss, right? If you guys remember, it hit our stop loss for around 40 pips here. Because I let you guys know that, okay, EUR/USD hit our stop loss and things like that. If you go down to our free Telegram channel, let me check it out so that you can understand exactly that I do share all of these stuffs in the market, right? So this is our free Telegram channel. Of course, if you are not in here, you gotta just join us and be part of the IDD community so that you too can be experience take profit here and things like that. So you see this is EUR/USD stop loss has been triggered for minus 40 pips, right? So yeah, on EUR/USD right now, stop loss has been triggered right here as well. So that's just it, man. And it was 40 pips. So you see that continue to push back down to the downside as it breaks out of this level, right? So yeah, that's how we do it, man. That's how we do it. If stop loss hits, no need for you to be pushing the market or pursuing the market. You just wait for another entry opportunity to happen and you get in and ready to where you are expecting it to go, right? So this is EUR/USD right now, kind of creating this downtrending move on the daily time frame right now, but it is what it is. Let's see what is going to happen, if it will continue to move back down to the downside or it will continue to push back up to the upside, right? It depends on what we are going to be saying. In the meantime, you guys see that it has a lot of potentialities to push back up to the upside. So let's see what exactly is going to happen. You see that it still have a lot of move to the upside again. So it is what it is, man. It is what it is. So yeah, that's just it, man. That's just it. All right. So yeah, let's continue with the analysis and things like that, so that we don't forget about anything, right? And of course, I say that if you have any pair that you want me to analyze for you, you can just say, hey Israel, analyze this pair for me and things like that. I'll gladly do that, because that's why I'm here, to do analysis and things like that for you guys, right? All right, let's get it, man. Okay, so yeah, this is Euro USD right now. Like I said, that he's trying to create this downtrending move on the daily time frame, right? So let me plot my support and resistance as usual, in order for me to know what exactly is happening on this Euro USD. And as you guys can see, that I just got about 3 support and resistors, so no need for me to plot all of this. So I'm seeing some sort of trend line. You see this, right? This is another trend line forming on the daily time frame, or formed on the daily time frame, right? That's another trend line. Let me go down to 4 hour. So this is 4 hour time frame, and this is what exactly is happening. Still pushing back down to the downside. So now I'm expecting Euro USD to come down to this point then, because that's what the market does. And right now we might see a break. We might see the volatility. Come on, man, because I'm trading volatility 75. All my mind right now is in V75. Oh my goodness, is in V75. So it is what it is. Let me just continue with this currency pairs analysis, right? So yeah, we might expect Euro USD to come up for a retracement to this point before it will push back down to this point for the retracement, right? So yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry, let me answer somebody. It's kind of making some inquiries and things like that. Okay, all right. I don't know if you guys see what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, I think you guys are seeing it, right? So yeah, I'm expecting this now to come up to this point for retracement before it actually goes back down to the downside. So, and let me check something. All right, yeah. So that's it, guys, and to come back down before we look out for another buy opportunities again right here on the 4 hour time frame, right? So that's what I'm seeing on Euro USD. So yeah, you can let me know if you have any question before we continue. And also, our time is up already. Let me kind of arrange Zoom call, because I have to go on Zoom now. All right, thank you very much, each and every one of you, for joining us. So I appreciate it. See you next time during our live Forex analysis, right? Come back soon, guys. All right.